Hey guys, this is Epson Workforce WF7840. I received a question. Someone asked how to replace the ink. You need to scroll to the settings, then scroll to maintenance, scroll down. Okay, you see ink cartridges replacement. Select on it. Replace the ink cartridges. Select start. Now lift the scanner unit and replace the ink accordingly. Then you lift it up. Then you wait for the ink holder to move. Now open up to replace the ink. To remove it, just need to select particular one. And if you look on the screen, you will see the black is off, empty. You select cyan, select magenta, and select yellow. Okay, and if you look here, you will see that the ink cartridges are empty. If you want to put the ink back, then you look on the color. Black goes in first, then you go in, push the ink down to BK, and you look on top here. It will show you that the ink black is ready. Then you look for the next one. This is cyan. Go in, push it down, and if you look here, the blue is also highlighting that is ready. Then you take the next color, magenta, go in. So make sure that this chip end is on top. So push it down, and if you look, it will show you the color is ready. Then the last but not the least is yellow. Then go in, push it down, and it's ready. If you look here, you show you that yellow is also ready. Then you close the cover and gently close the top. And I also tell you, please wait. Do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. Replacement is complete. Select OK. Then you go back to the home. So this is exactly how to replace the ink. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel